In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address on Acuity scheduling. Whether you're moving your business to a new location or simply need to update your contact information, Acuity scheduling makes it easy and straightforward to keep your account information up to date. Let's dive in and see how you can accomplish this in just a few steps. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Acuity scheduling website. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is usually positioned right at the top right corner of the page. It's your gateway to accessing your account and making any necessary changes, including updating your address. After clicking on login, the next step involves entering your email address. This should be the email you used when you initially set up your Acuity account. It's a crucial step because it ensures that any changes you make are applied to the correct account. Once you've entered your email, you'll notice a next button appear. Click on that to proceed. Acuity aims to make the login process as seamless as possible, so after hitting next, you'll have the option to continue with Google. This is particularly handy if your Acuity account is linked to a Google account, offering a quicker and more secure way to log in. Upon selecting continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one that's associated with your Acuity scheduling account. It's all about making sure the integration works smoothly and your account information is kept secure. After successfully logging in, it's time to navigate to the calendar. This is where you'll find all of your scheduled appointments, and it acts as the central hub for managing your Acuity scheduling activities. Look for a link or a button labeled Calendar. It should be fairly easy to locate. Within your calendar view, click on any appointment. This step is crucial because it brings you closer to the section where you can edit your address. Each appointment contains specific details about it, including location information, which is what we're focusing on updating today. After selecting an appointment, look for the edit option associated with it. This allows you to modify various details about the appointment, including the address, which is the piece of information we're interested in changing today. As you're in the editing mode, you'll need to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. It might seem like a bit of effort, but this is where you'll find the option to update your address. Imagine all the clients who rely on this information to find you. Ensuring it's accurate and up to date is crucial. Once you find the address field, go ahead and change the address to your new location. It's a straightforward process, but take a moment to double check the accuracy of your new address. A typo or incorrect number could lead your clients to the wrong place, and we certainly don't want that. Finally, after ensuring all the details are correct, look for the Save button. It's likely located either at the bottom or the top of the page. Clicking Save applies the changes you've made to your account. And just like that, your Acuity scheduling account will now reflect your new address. There you have it, step by step, you've successfully updated your address on Acuity scheduling. It's a simple process, but an important one to ensure your clients always have the most accurate information to reach you. Remember, keeping your business information up to date is key to maintaining a smooth operation and ensuring your clients' satisfaction. Thank you for following along with this guide. Whether you're moving your business to a new spot in town or simply updating your contact info, it's vital to keep your Acuity scheduling account current. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Acuity's customer support. They're there to help ensure that your scheduling system runs as smoothly and efficiently as possible.